Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sweta and in today's video we are going to dive into fetching data from the internet using HTTP package. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out of any upcoming Flutter tutorials. So let's get started. So why fetch data? So in the real world application often require data from remote server. For example, fetching post, news articles or product list. Tools we will use is HTTP package for making HTTP requests. Introduction to HTTP. So what is HTTP? HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, a protocol used for communication between client and server like browser or application. For example, fetching data from the server and sending some data to server. How it works? So a client sends an HTTP request to the server and a server processing the request and send back to the HTTP response. HTTP request. So the types of HTTP request is get request, post request, put and delete. So retrieve a data from the server we are using get and send the data to the server we are using post method and use update a data some in the server we are using put and remove the data from the server we are using a delete. Get request, for example, here is the URL of get request and return a list of post in a JSON format. Okay, so here is the request we are paste in our Chrome and here is the JSON response we are getting. Okay, adding the HTTP package to your project. So first we are open our popspec.yml file in our Flutter project's root directory. Under the dependency section, we are add this line HTTP and add the latest version of HTTP. Adding the HTTP package to your project, then in our terminal, we are add flutter pubget to get this dependency and in the dart file we are import this HTTP package using import HTTP as HTTP. Okay, so let's see with example. Here is the pubspec.yml file and in the pubspec we are using add the dependencies in HTTP. Okay, and then http demo.dart file we are implement a fetch data from the API using get request. So here we are using fetch data in the our feature method. So the feature returning the list of dynamic. So we are using http.get method and uri.pass our URL. Okay, and URL is getting and the response is on JSON. So return the JSON decode response dot body. So this is decode our JSON and return the our response. Okay, and this fetch data we are call this method in our future builder feature. Okay, called the fetch data function and we are call this fetch data we are using in the builder snapshot is giving us to the title and body all in the response. Okay, so here we are using a list view and in the list view we are using a card view and in the list tile so a title and a subtitle. So snapshot.data of index in the title and body. So here is the output of this example. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more Flutter tutorials. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.